Hello DIYers. Today's video we're going to talk about these two abbreviation SPN and FMI. It is very important for every generator operators to know them. In this video you're going to learn these two abbreviation SPN and FMI. SPN is short for suspect parameter number. It identifies which electrical circuit, part or component of your engine isn't working properly. FMI stands for failure mode identifier. This part of the fault code tells you what type of problem your generator has. SPN 100 FMI1. What does it mean? Well, this is a fault code tell us the engine shut down due to low oil pressure. Let's go a little bit further. SPN 100 FMI17 is another fault code. It warning us the engine running with low oil pressure, either there is restriction in oil flow due to a dirty oil filter or because of a faulty oil pump. The ideal oil pressure is between 25 to 65 psi at 1500 RPM. If the genset controller low oil pressure warning has been configured at 25 psi. When the oil pressure dropped to 25 psi, the warning light will flash. It will give you low oil pressure warning. Low oil pressure shutdown. If the controller configured to shut down the engine at 20 psi. When the oil pressure dropped to 20 psi. The genset controller will shut down the engine due to low oil pressure.